Ever notice how some people just seem to hibernate during winter? It's more than just a preference for cozy blankets. For many, winter can trigger genuine sadness. Today, we're diving into the science behind why winter blues affect some individuals more than others. We'll explore 3 key reasons: reduced sunlight, seasonal changes impacting our brain chemistry, and the psychological impact of winter's limitations. Understanding these factors can help us recognize and address these feelings. First, let's talk about sunlight. Less sunlight means less vitamin D, crucial for mood regulation. Our bodies produce vitamin D when exposed to sunlight, and a deficiency can lead to fatigue and low mood. Think of it like this: plants need sunlight to thrive, and we're not so different. Secondly, winter impacts our brain chemistry. The shorter days disrupt our circadian rhythm, our internal body clock, affecting melatonin and serotonin levels. Serotonin, often called the happy hormone, decreases in winter, while melatonin, which regulates sleep, increases, potentially leading to feelings of sadness and lethargy. Finally, the psychological impact is significant. Winter often brings limitations: fewer outdoor activities, social isolation, and a general sense of confinement. Studies show that people in northern, less sunny climates experience seasonal affective disorder at a higher rate, demonstrating the powerful link between environment and mood. So, to recap, reduced sunlight, shifts in brain chemistry, and psychological limitations all contribute to winter sadness. Recognizing these factors is the first step towards managing them. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and let us know in the comments if you experience winter blues. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into mental well-being.